Gutters help protect your home and save you from major headaches. They prevent seepage in the foundation and roof by collecting and directing rainwater away from the building. Traditionally, gutters were installed with hangers or nails, spaced 18 inches apart, creating weak spots that compromise the structure of the system during freeze-thaw cycles. Clogged by ice, gutters could not evacuate meltwater properly, causing infiltration and damage to the residents. Furthermore, spaced hangers left the gutters open, exposing the corner sealant to UV rays and prone to clogging with leaves and debris. As opposed to traditional spaced hangers that warp under heavy snow and expanding ice, leaving your home susceptible to leaks, the T-Rex continuous hanger, equipped with self-sealing screws, secures gutters evenly along the entire length so they last longer, look better, and perform flawlessly. Equipped with patented Alu-Perf and Winter Shield technologies, the membrane forms a barrier that keeps snow, ice, leaves, needles, and other debris that can damage the gutter and disrupt the flow of water out of the gutter. It also acts as a UV shade, protecting the sealant from direct sunlight and eliminating corner leaks. Built to last, the T-Rex continuous hanger is made of heavy aluminum and comes with a 25-year clog-free warranty and a lifetime warranty on materials and strength, ensuring the quality and durability of your system for years to come.